This video is a summary of a method of using an Inserta IFRA rotational adapter with an Inserta IBF flange type ball valve to make a captive assembly in order to allow a hose connection or the like to be broken downstream of the valve. Inserta makes flange type ball valves for SAE J518 code 61 and code 62 patterns up to 3 inches. Here are examples of IBF 2-position flange type ball valves. IBF ball valves of unplated steel construction are standard. These are ideal for new systems and assemblies that will ultimately be painted. If this is not the case, the IBF ball valves are also available with a high phosphorus electroless nickel plating, which provides significant corrosion resistance. Finally, Inserta offers the IBF ball valves made from stainless steel. We maintain a significant inventory of both assembled and tested valves and the machine components from which assembled valves are made. Shipments of all but large quantities are typically made within 24 hours. The IBF ball valve is designed to be sandwiched between components. It is provided with fastener clearance holes. This valve is provided with a handle stop plate. This allows rotation of the valve stem 90 degrees between the open and the closed positions. The second valve is provided with a universal lock plate. Again, this allows rotation of the valve stem 90 degrees between the open and the closed positions. Each stop tab has an aperture that allows for the use of a locking mechanism to lock the valve either open or closed. The tab of the universal lock plate that extends over the back end of the valve is elevated so that a flange or other clamping component may be used without interference with the lock plate. As the IBF ball valve has fastener clearance holes, the flange or clamping component must always be present in order for the ball valve to remain functional. Remove the end component and the ball valve loses function. In some circumstances, it may be desirable to shut the valve off and have it remain competent while a flange connection is broken. The IFRA is provided with 4 fastener clearance holes and countersinks. These may be used to sandwich the ball valve against a mating component. 4 threaded fastener holes are now available for a separate flange connection. This connection may be made or broken without loss of ball valve function. Here is an example of an Inserta IFRA being used to retain an Inserta ball valve in a captive assembly. The valve is shown in the closed position. The downstream connection may be broken and the valve will remain functional. A captive ball valve assembly may be made using an Inserta IBF ball valve with an Inserta IFRA retainer to allow a downstream flange connection to be broken and maintain competence of ball valve function. The IFRA adapter is useful and may be used to retain other or a combination of flange components, including check valves and modular fittings. Please visit our website at www.inserta.com for more detailed product information. Thank you for watching.